Good morning, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're talking a little bit this morning about sanitizing tools. There are situations that require sanitizing your tools. Things like there's a little fire blight on this pear tree, that sort of thing. So there are numerous sanitizers around. The traditional old standby is 1 part laundry bleach and 9 parts water, and you can mix it in a bucket and you dip and clip. Although one of the drawbacks to the bleach is that it rusts your tools. I've read a couple of studies from various places, and that pitting can be a problem because it creates a little pocket there where the bacteria or whatever can survive the dip. What I like to use, and this was recommended by numerous studies, Listerine or some other version of mouthwash. You know, when I'm out here pruning my own trees, I don't really need a lot of sanitizing, so I just put it in a squirt bottle and I just squirt the tool and give it a second or two to sanitize, and that's good. Now, if you were getting into a row of pears and you were cutting out fire blight all day, it might be more economical to use a bucket of bleach and just dip it. But for regular everyday use, I like to carry a squirt bottle of mouthwash around inside my toolbox. So there's sanitizing.